Welcome to the short Pilates workout focusing on your abs. We're going to alternate between rolling exercises and core stability work using the foam roller to help strengthen your abs. Hi, my name is Beth and welcome to Trifecta Pilates. When you're ready, join me on the mat having a seat, and you'll take your foam roller in your hands. Your knees are bent, your heels will stay down. Foam roller against your thighs. So it's a tight position to begin, but we won't be here for long. Inhale, prepare. And exhale, reverse. Rolling yourself down. The roller will roll a little bit and then roll right back up. So as you continue, it could be a small range of motion and back up. What's most important, keep your heels down and move through your spine. So it's that beautiful rolling motion with your back. And if you feel stuck or your heels lift, you just don't go down as far. Pressing your hands against the foam roller. Two more times here. Now, roll all the way down. The feet come closer and towards you. Your hands cup on the outside of the roller. Bend one knee in, your foot goes down. Opposite knee taps in and down. And it may even tap the roller, that's okay. So just finding your still spine and pelvis, and now adding on. Tap one knee in, that leg reaches long. As your arms reach behind you, bend in. Reach long leg and arms to in. So your center body stays really still as your arms and single leg is moving. Another time here. Replace through your foot and switch sides. Tap in, reach long and strong, and in. So really sensing deep connection to your center as your leg reaches away from you. Another time. Both feet come down, roll yourself up again, sitting tall. So reset, and round two, where you reverse. Roll down, stay round, and roll forward. So rolling down, staying round to roll forward. Just a few more times. Pause forward just so that you can cup in on the roller. Roll down part way, just part way. Now rotate to one side, come back center, rotate second side, and center. So first thing, keep your pelvis, keep your legs really still as you rotate. You want more challenge, slide your feet in towards you. Maybe go down a little bit more. One more time each side. Having a seat, sit nice and tall, roller reaches up, roll all the way down, and your legs reach up towards the ceiling. Exhale, curl up and down. And exhale, curl up and down. Little lift. One last time. Now keeping your upper body still, flex one foot, lower the leg, and lift it back up. Switch sides. So it doesn't matter how low your leg goes, more important to stay stable in your center. If you want to add on, as your leg reaches, your arms reach away as well. Just keep moving with this. You can even go more slowly if you prefer to keep that nice deep center connection. And let's do one last time. Very nice. Rolling yourself up, sitting tall. Now you're gonna rock onto one hip. So you're sitting and lifted off of the opposite hip. Hands on the roller, reverse and roll back and up. Roll back. This one maybe feels a lot more challenging. Your abs are already fatigued. So smaller range of motion, breathe more deeply, do what you need to do to get through it. Just 2 more times. 2. And 1 last time. And rock to the second side. So you're off one side of your pelvis. And again, rolling back and up. Little roll. You're on the home stretch. 1 last time. Center, hands take hold of the roller, roll all the way down, your legs up towards the ceiling, squeeze the legs together, and start reaching both legs forward and up. This could be teeny tiny. It could be 2 inches forward and up. It could be further forward. What's most important is your back stays still, stay connected to your center. Arms are the option to reach and lengthen back. So strong workout for center. It's okay to feel a little bit of work into the hips. Almost there. Beautiful. Staying up, bend through your knees, foam roller on your thighs. One time, just let your hips lift. Stretch it out, opening through your hips here. Softening your shoulders. Start your recovery now by breathing deeply and reach the foam roller and arms behind your head. Taking a few more deep breaths here. Take your time to roll down. Unwinding from the class is just as important as that challenging work you did. Reaching long with your arms and stretch your legs. And if you'd like, extend through your spine, giving a little stretch for the abs, what you're just working so deeply. Then your foam roller to the ceiling, bend through your knees, recenter your spine. So if you arched it, find your center once again, your alignment. Inhale, just one time, exhale, roll yourself up. Reaching up to the ceiling, foam roller, your legs can go straight, bend forward one time, extra little stretch here for you. Very nice, rolling all the way up. And hopefully you're feeling incredible after that challenging ab workout. If you enjoyed it, save it as a favorite so you can easily come back to it, repeating it 3 times a week, and you will notice how much stronger you get in your abs.